size of the softbox and the way it is applied can make all the difference. When using a softbox, the size and distance from the subject can completely change the way it looks. In this video, I will show you the difference. First, use a large softbox. This is a shallow bank L-size from manufacturer called Kimira. It is 180 centimeters long. It is big. Bring this closer to the subject. It's about 50 centimeters. The light is beautiful with very soft gradation lighting. Since the softbox is close to the subject and the background are also about 3 meters apart, the background will be dark. Next, use a smaller softbox. This is a Comet Speedbox 70, a circular softbox with a diameter of 70 centimeters. This also brings it close to the subject at about the same distance. Again, the light will be very soft, but with a smaller softbox, the contrast will be a little stronger and the shadows will be darker than with a large one. The body will also be darker than before because it is applied on the face. The background will also be darker than before. Next, let's move the small softbox away from the subject. It's about 2 meters away. The light becomes hard and not gradation lighting. It becomes flat and not very beautiful. If we move the light away from the subject, the background will be brighter than before. Finally, use this small softbox from behind to create a semi-backlit effect. Then place a large reflector in front of the subject and reflect a stop light onto the subject. The hair light and accent light are included to make the subject stand out. In addition, the light from a large reflector is very soft, giving the subject a soft image. The size of the softbox and the way it is applied can make such a difference. I like photos with a large softbox close to the subject and semi-backlit photos. What about you all?